everyone, in today's video I'm going to share the recent experience that I faced during my stay here in Istanbul. Once I just came and I saw that there is no my heater is not working and my water is it's really cold water. So I was wondering what's wrong, and I was wondering maybe there is no payment of gas, or maybe there is something wrong with it. Then I tried troubleshooting it and I couldn't find any answer. I kept on looking on YouTube and kept on searching for different videos, but I couldn't figure out what's the problem. And then some of the videos I found, but they were all in Turkish, and it was really difficult for me to understand something in Turkish there. So I just tried to figure it out myself, but I couldn't do anything. I tried the knobs, I tried the lever, I even turned off the electricity, I turned it on, and then I also tried to troubleshoot my combi as well, my heater, the boiler, but it was still not working. So this is the troubleshooting. I'm going to share the video with you, that how I troubleshooted and how I fixed my problem. So this is for the protherm boiler. What was the problem? I could see that the 81, it was the bar one was blinking, and then none of these were working on. And then I was just trying to turn it off, turn it on, try to reset it. You know how you can reset, you just keep on pressing this echo or comfortable thing, and it will reset the boiler, but it was still not working. So what I did, I just turned off the knobs from here, this to off and this to off as well. And then if you see, there is this small lever here, this one. What happened, my boiler was running out of water and it was not running, it was not functional. So what I need to do, I had to fill in it with water. So slightly, when you have to turn off your boiler first, you will turn it off completely to the off position, and then you're going to slightly move it to this side. When you will do this, all of a sudden the water will come and it will come inside the boiler and it will just start filling. And then after a few minutes, I saw my boiler started working properly, and I could turn on my water was getting hot, and also my combi started working. So I really wanted to share this with you guys, especially those people who are really struggling here when they are here in Turkey and they are not familiar with the language and they are facing such situation and they are not sure what they have to do. So you no need to worry now. You just have to look at this knob at the bottom and try troubleshooting it, and hopefully that will fix your problem. So thanks so much for watching the video, and I hope this video will help you in troubleshooting. If you ever, God forbid, face any such a similar situation where you are not able to get any gas or any hot water in your home, then you can try fixing it with this method. Unfortunately, my label was also tampered, so I couldn't figure out. I even tried Google Translate to look at it and try to figure out what I can do with it. But yeah, luckily I just got successful. So alright, take care, bye, thank you for watching the video.